One of my favourite complexes, Parkwood over at Seven Hills. We were here recently at 3 of 112. I told you how good Rabbit Hole Cafe was then, but now 44 of 112. We've got beautiful green space, 900 metre walk into the Seven Hills bushland, just under 1 kilometre away from the Morningside train station. Seven Hills is only 8 kilometres into the CBD, a stone's throw away from Morningside Central, your shopping precinct, and then Oxford Street over at Bulimba. This is one of my favourite suburbs, one of my favourite complexes, and in my opinion, the best bloody renovation in this complex today.